Installing an internal drive cage assembly. To install the internal drive cage, align the internal drive cage with the guide pins on the chassis and then lower the internal drive cage down. Note: make sure the PCIe riser 2 and front drive backplane cables are not covered by the internal drive cage. Fasten 4 captive screws to secure the internal drive cage. To install the internal drive backplane, you might need to connect the backplane to the backplane bracket. To do that, align the notch of the backplane with the nub of the bracket and then push the backplane into the bracket until it is seated in place. Secure the backplane with 2 screws. Connect the power and signal cables to the drive backplane. Note: the number of internal backplane signal cables will vary on different configurations. Pinch the blue touch points on the backplane bracket and then press the backplane into the slot until it clicks into place. If applicable, press the following cables down and make sure that they are under the processor air baffle cable clip: the internal drive backplane signal cable, the internal drive backplane power cable, the PCIe riser 2 blue signal cable. Reinstall the drives into the internal drive bays. Pinch and pull the handles to lift up the internal drive cage. To install the drive, slide the drive into the drive bay and then push it in until it stops. Push the handle back to the locked position. Install the other drives if necessary. Pinch the handles and press the internal drive cage down. Install the top cover. If applicable, install the security bezel.